Hello to all my friends out there. I hope everyone is having a nice Sunday. So I bought 3 packages of fish. And so the first thing I want to do is make sure there's no germs and bacteria. These are kind of nice. They're kind of like, in a little freeze-dried package. Okay, so now, this is a lot of fish, 1 pound fish. So what I want to do is I want to roast my fish. But before I can, I want to clean it, and I'll show you what I do. So, somebody mentioned you could scrub them down with cornstarch, but plain old salt, this stuff comes in handy for all kinds of things, is good. So I'm going to let them be in here good with the salt for a while, and then, I'm going to rinse them good inside and out. Let's see if I can get into these guys. So, as you can see, that water is already looking a little bit murky. I'm going to soak them for a little while, and then I might repeat this process until I'm sure they're good and clean. And then I will be back with how I'm going to roast them. Okay, you guys. Okay, so these 2 fish cost me $2.23. I bought 2 packages, so figure about $1 per fish. One of the things, I could freeze one. These are pretty big. Like this one's pretty big. I might freeze that one. I think I'll clean them all, before I put them in my freezer. So what I will make with this is 1 fish. By the way, thanks for Harley Dancer. She bought fish on sale, and I thought that's a good idea. And I will make rice and refried beans to go with my fish, and that's going to be a nice little meal. You could be rice and vegetables. You could have fish and salad, whatever you want. So, okay, you guys, I'll be back.